This video is thanks to Paul Marles, who's taught me how to do a Halloween book with KDP, and I'm just teaching you who follow me how to do a colouring book for Halloween. So, first of all, I've gone over to open.ai and I've typed in, for the cover of the book, create an image for Halloween for 4 to 8 year olds with pumpkins, ghosts, bats and a witch in vivid colour. So I've just found the picture that I want before I started the video. Now you can have 4 goes at this. That one's quite a good one. I quite like that one and that one, but I think I'm going to go with this one, and there's a reason why I'm going with this one. So I'm going to save the image as, and I'm going to put cover Halloween 2. I've already done one with Paul's training, but after I've done the KDP word search, you'll know why I've done this one. Now you head over to Canva. And you need the custom size is going to be this, and I'm going to show you how exactly I got that thing. So you've gone into the kdpamazon.com and I've gone on to format your paperback, create your front, body and back. Oh no, that's the wrong one. Not that one, the one underneath. This one. Download a cover calculator. So what I want you to do is paperback, black and white paper, left, right, and usually it's 8.5 by 11. Oops, hang on. 8.5 by 11. This one. I'm going to do 80 pages, and I'll tell you about that in a minute. So we're going to calculate the dimensions, and we're going to download this template, and it's just going there. So now we go back over to Canva, and I'm going to create a custom size, and it's going to be 17.43, 17.43 inches, 17.43, 11.25. That's because they have something called bleed, which means the lines go to the end of the page. Okay, so now we need to download that template that we just made. Now we have the front cover and the back cover, and we're going to go right up here like this. Cool. Now we're going to cover this in black, just like this, with a square. Oops, maybe not that one. We're going to put this over here right to the very end, and we're going to put it to the second dotted line like that, and we're going to make it orange actually, because it's Halloween. Now for this one, I've got to upload the cover. I'm not sure if we've saved this. We're going to save the image as, It's in the children's books, that's why I couldn't find it. Let's put it on the desktop when I can find it properly. Halloween book 2. And it's on the desktop. There you go. It helps if you can remember where they are, guys. So then we are going to upload this. And it's going to be on the desktop. And it was Halloween book 2. So now we just want to make it the right size. And put it across as whatever you want. I quite like that actually. And now we're going to make a title. So we're going to put Halloween coloring book the witches, pumpkins, and good. Oh, hang on. We need to put the capital letters. So what we're going to do is we're going to make that a little bit bigger. We're going to change the font to the scary font. And we're going to put that there. Stick the cursor where you want it. That's better. And you want this to move to the top. Whoops, daisy. So there. I want to move that over there. And I'm going to put that into the middle. I'm going to make that, let me think. I'm going to change the colour of this to that yellow. If I can colour pick it. Whoops, get the colour picker. See if I can get that yellow. Okay. Now, there you go, guy. Oh, I quite like that across there, like that. I'm going to make that. Let's see what colour we want. So let's try black. And then we also want the age group. We're going to make that yellow. Move it down. And we're going to put age, children age 4 to 8. And scary. There. Now let's do this again because it decided not to work. Put that there. You can make this whatever colour you want. I'm going to make, you could make it black, yellow or orange. Actually, that's quite a nice colour. So that is now done. So you can download it as a PDF, not a PNG. PDF print, flatten PDF, and download. Now that is the cover now you need some pictures. So you go back to OpenAI and you create a colouring book. Colouring for image for Halloween. Go. There you go. This is what you're doing now, is you choose your ones that you want to download. So you could download all of these. So you save the image as, and Halloween one. So you could do the next one. Whoops, that could be Halloween 2. This could be, I like the house in the background. Save image as Halloween 3. And so on and so on and so on. But you need at least 40 or 50 pictures, because then you have to go back into Canva and you start again. Now, because we're going to go to the end of the page, it's not 8.5 times 11. There it is, look. So now you upload all your photos, all your images. And I'll just do a few. Upload files. And we're going to go to, let's see if we can do 3 at once. 1, 2, 3. So what you have to do is make it so that the picture is where you want it. So if you want the tree there, or the tree there, I can leave a little gap at the top. Anyway, don't forget to edit the photo. Remove the background as you go along. Otherwise, you're going to confuse yourself. Okay, then you have to add a page. That one is going to be on the back of page 1. So if they're using the felt pens, then basically it can go through the paper if it's not thick enough. So your next picture is going to go onto any odd number. And you just do the same again. If there's a circle on it though, you can put this in the middle. And you can edit the photo, remove the background, but sometimes it doesn't remove it properly. But that one's quite good. So if you wanted to, you could actually add some more bats if you wanted to. Bats. Now hold on, you need to go into elements. Oh, there's some bats that I just had that they can. And then what you can do is duplicate it and flip it just like that. And you've got a completely original. Anyway, keep going, keep going, keep going. And on the next video, I will show you the next step about uploading it and keywords. Thank you to Paul Marles, who's inspired me so much that I will be uploading my original Halloween book, and I will show you exactly how to do the keywords. See you on the next video, and if you want a full-time income with Builderall, click the link in the description. Bye guys.